Wearing a cowboy hat while driving isn't just a fashion statement, it's a nod to tradition, a symbol of rugged individualism, and, for many, an integral part of their style. However, driving with a cowboy hat requires careful consideration to ensure safety and comfort. So how do you wear a cowboy hat while driving to ensure it doesn't affect your driving ability? 1. Choose the right cowboy hat for your head. To wear a cowboy hat while driving, you must choose the right hat for yourself, because cowboy hats come in various styles, shapes, and sizes, so finding the perfect fit for your head is important. 2. Ensure the hat fits comfortably on your head. You must ensure that your cowboy hat fits snugly, but not too tightly, because a hat that is too loose might fly off, causing distractions and safety hazards. Also, an overly tight hat can be uncomfortable during long drives. 3. Wear a cowboy hat with a moderate brim width. Wear a cowboy hat with a moderate brim width while driving. This is because, while wide brim hats may be fashionable, they can obstruct your peripheral vision and compromise safety. If the brim is too wide, consider placing the hat at the back of your head to enable you to see well. 4. Use hat clips or straps to secure your cowboy hat. Once you've selected the perfect cowboy hat for your head, it's time to ensure it stays firmly in place while you hit the open road. Use hat clips or straps to secure the hat while driving. It can be attached to your hat and adjusted to keep it snug on your head, preventing it from flying off in the wind. 5. Positioning the hat the right way. Adjust the hat on your head so that it sits comfortably without obstructing your vision. You must tilt it slightly back to ensure it doesn't interfere with your line of sight. Finally, while wearing a cowboy hat can be a stylish addition to your driving experience, safety should always be your top priority. Therefore, drive with caution. If wearing a cowboy hat affects your ability to drive comfortably, adjust the hat or remove it from your head completely. Hope this video helps. Please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.